How to transfer money from Binance to Tonkeeper. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Tonkeeper, and then in order to transfer money, or in other words crypto, you're just gonna need to simply click on it and click on the receive option, and you just need to copy your address and then open up your Binance. In this case, I have copied the address of my USDT, which is on the Ton network. Then click on the withdraw option, and then simply search for USDT and click on send via crypto network. Then what you need to do is to click on the address on the top and paste your address, and make sure to click on the network. And as for now, it is automatically going to select Toncoin as our network, but right now it is suspended for some reason. But you just need to click on subscribe to reminders on the bottom of your screen, and whenever the suspend will going to lift, you will gonna notify, and then you can simply transfer the funds from your particular Binance to your Tonkeeper wallet. You can also go with the Ton, but it's not supported by Binance right now. The only option is USDT for now. Hope this helped. This is how you can transfer money from Binance to Tonkeeper.